Unstoppable Radio, your home for non-stop entertainment and gospel content. Stay tuned as we take you on a journey. I'm Adeola. Can you introduce yourself?
Alright, I'm listening.
Okay, nice connecting with you. Alright, can you just tell us about Glowfux charity concert?
Okay, Glowflux charity concert is charity or a celebration we do every year to celebrate the needy, to make them feel special, to make them feel seen, to make them feel happy. Because we all know that in every home, this is festive period. We take our children out to the cinema, we take them out to have fun. But how about them? Are they just going to be in the same place they have always been throughout the year? So this is just something we put together to make them feel special. So you can see we have different game space there. There will be a lot of fun moments, there will be a lot of activities for them to just feel seen and to enjoy the moment. And this concert has been going on for 9 years now. Actually, this is my this is my third experience, and it has been so good.
Wow. Yeah. Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing that. That is very beautiful. My name is Adeola Francis. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, good afternoon. My name is Bola Ahmed Yusuf.
Nice meeting you, Mr. Bola. Okay, so very quickly, can you just tell us a brief stuff about Glowflux charity? What have you experienced over the years? I don't know if you've been coming every single year, but can you just tell us what you've experienced coming for this event?
Okay, to the glory of God, this is our fourth time coming to Glowflux. Let me say we are a regular customer.
Wow.
You understand? And over the years, Glowflux keeps getting better. You know, it's all about the festive period, and it's about giving back to the kids and all that.
Yeah.
The concert, the charity, and every year when we come with our kids, we're always having fun and really enjoying the moment.
So can you introduce yourself?
Okay, I am Ambassador Aroyo Iradat.
And you are?
I'm a Glowflux ambassador. My name is Adlabu Ilari.
Okay, nice meeting you both. You both are looking so beautiful. So can you tell us your expectations for today's event? What do you expect to see? What do you want to see in today's event?
Nice meeting you too. So my expectation for today's event is to have fun, to share, to connect.
All right. Thank you so much. So what's your expectation?
My expectation for Glowflux is that like catching fun, introducing people from different countries, states, anywhere.
Wow. Can you say, keep following Unstoppable Radio? Keep following Unstoppable Radio. Good day. How are you doing today?
Fine.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Okay, so very quickly, I just want to ask you, what has been your experience over the years in Glowflux? What has been your experience?
It has been a very lovely experience, and I enjoyed myself over it.
That's amazing. All right, can you briefly introduce yourself?
My name is Tunjiba Mishigwe. I'm a filmmaker and a lawyer.
Wow, that's amazing. You're a filmmaker and you're a lawyer. And you look so humble. Wow, that's so good. Nice connecting with you. Nice meeting you. Okay, can you just tell us how Glowflux charity concert has been over the years?
Well, to be honest, this is my first time to be part of it.
Wow.
Their main organizer called my attention to it, and was asking me to be father of the day for the event.
Wow.
And he told me all it's all about. Even though I'm quite busy, like right away, I have a program, a wedding, where I'm supposed to be the chairman of the wedding.
Wow.
Of my boy, a boy I started using at age 8 as an actor, who is today very big, one of the major guys with Funka Kindele. His wedding today. And because I've been part of it, because this concerns humanity.
Yeah.
This concerns giving to other people what you have. This concerns sharing, particularly when it comes to young people. It is my weakness. When it comes to young people, I want to be part of it. So that's why I'm part of this, and I'm very glad I'm part of it.
Wow. That's so amazing. Hello everyone, this is Unstoppable Radio, your home for non-stop gospel entertainment, Christian content, and lots more. Keep listening to Unstoppable Radio. Follow us on all social media platforms and download the app on Google Play Store and App Store.
Hello, I'm Naomi Akintunde. Can I meet you, please?
I'm Olamide Prince David.
Okay, nice to meet you, Olamide. So I'd like to ask, what was your expectation coming to today's event?
My expectation, like, just to see everybody happy and me enjoying myself, came with my family, like, get.
All right, so you came basically to enjoy yourself and to watch people being helped. You know, it's a charity concert and all. I'm Naomi Akintunde. Can we meet you, please?
My name is Akorede Bobo, son of the source.
Nice to meet you, Akorede. A young superstar is. So, Akorede, can you tell us? I mean, you're at a charity event today, and you've been invited to bless lives. So, what exactly would you say to inspire every other kid out there like you? I mean, you've come to reach out to kids, to empower kids. So, what's that one message you think every kid needs to hear?
They should always follow their dreams, and they should keep working hard.
To keep working hard and to always follow your dreams. Their kid out there, Akorede Bobo is telling you right now to always follow your dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a world-class saxophonist right here with us at Glowfux charity concert. And you know what? He's going to give us a little, just so that you know that, no, this is world-class. All right, so Drum Sax, I'm aware that you're very good at what you do. I think I've seen you play before, and I know that you're very good at what you do. So before you give us a little, experience of your masterpiece, I'd like you to just share with us one thing that you think has really sustained you up to this point, one thing that you think that everybody out there should know that would help them to gain mastery as much as you have.
I'll say grace of God.
The grace of God. I don't think that's a subject you can ever get tired of talking about. All right, it's the grace of God. But apart from the grace of God, there must be that other thing that, sets you apart from every other person. Can you tell us?
Consistency.
That's a deep one. Consistency. I think I can actually vouch for that. Consistency is key. All right.
Okay, I am Dr. Olubowale Oluwafunmilayo, popularly known as Olori Oba.
Okay, clock it. Nice to meet you, Dr. Olori Oba.
Okay, thank you so much.
It's nice to meet you, ma. So, meeting you at this event, apparently you are a lover of philanthropy and a lover of charity. I'm flattered by your presence at this event today because I feel it's not easy for people to leave the comfort of their house, especially when they are doctors. I mean, you must be very busy. So what exactly motivated you to be present today? Because, I mean, it's beautiful to have you here.
Okay, like you said, I love philanthropy and I also love charity. And I guess that's the major reason why Glowfux is organizing this. And that's why I came in here. I'm not a medical doctor, I'm a doctor in the music line. So you understand. So anything that has to do with charity, giving to people, making them happy, and especially children, women, I'm in for it.
Wow, that's very beautiful. It's nice to meet you, ma.
I am Rema. Yeah, I'm Rema, and this is basically my first time coming here. So.
Oh, nice to meet you, Rema. So I'd like to know what exactly motivated you to come here. Seeing it's your first time, what was that thing that made you come?
Okay, so I would basically say I'm an epitome of a giver. So when I hear giving a program like this that enriches lives, increases stability of young people, I tend to get involved in it. So basically that's what motivated me.
That's actually very deep. It's very rare to find young people that are actually interested in things like this. Wow, that's very beautiful. And I'm still here live at the Glowfux 2025 charity concert, and I'm here with a very beautiful lady. So can you kindly introduce yourself, please?
My name is Adeshewa, representative from Love Home Orphanage. It's nice to be here.
Wow, Love Home Orphanage. That tells us a lot about you. You love love. You love charity. That's beautiful. So I don't think we need to talk much about what brought you here today then.
Okay.
It's charity. Right?
Yes, we're here for charity, we're here for fun, we're here to spread love, we're here to experience joy.
All right, that's beautiful. So